How to convert uploaded files to Google Docs format. This tutorial shows you how to turn a Word document you've uploaded into an editable Google Doc. First, open Google Drive in Chrome on your computer. After that, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Let me show you. From there, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. At this point, turn on the toggle next to Convert Uploads. In the next step, close Settings once the toggle is turned on. Following this, click on New, then click on File Upload to upload a Word document. Once done, wait a moment while Drive uploads and automatically converts the file into Google Docs format. From here, double-click on the newly uploaded file to open it directly in Google Docs. At this stage, if you'd rather convert a file you already uploaded, right-click on it instead and click on Open With. Following this, click on Google Docs from the list to open and convert it manually. Keep in mind, converting a file creates a separate Google Docs copy, so your original uploaded file stays untouched in Drive. Finally, come back to this same settings menu anytime you want to turn automatic conversion on or off. And that's it. If this guide helped you convert uploaded files to Google Docs format, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.